Alright, so we're back with another dose of tech news. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy the rush of information that we're about to give you. AMD has finally announced their long-anticipated RX 6700 XT with 40 compute units, 12GB of GDDR6 memory, and board power of 230 watts, with the price tag of $479 and availability starting 18th of March 2021. But we all know about the stock issues, so what AMD is doing is that they will be releasing the Founders Edition and AAB partner models on the same day as well, thus hopefully increasing the stock availability of it, hopefully. But that is not all. AMD has also announced Smart Access Memory feature to be coming for Ryzen 3000 series. In fact, based on their presentation, it's already available now. We really hope we can get our hands on a review sample so we can give our own review of it. AMD, if you're listening, pretty please with the cherry on top. They've also mentioned that people will be able to buy the graphics on AMD.com and their other preferred website with the hope of it not being purchased by scalpers. In addition, they also said to keep an eye out for upcoming announcements as well, as it seems that they will be announcing mobile version of the RX 6000 series graphics cards. Well, since you guys have been here for a while now, here's a picture of the RTX 3090 Founders Edition. Wait a minute, that's not a Founders Edition. Axel GeForce RTX 3090 Classic created a marketing material with literally the RTX 3090 Founders Edition card picture. This is assumed to be a mistake by the Axel's marketing department, but much yet is to be known. Remember the Dell G5 SE from 2020? Well, it seems that there has been a leak that it will be getting a refresh soon. It will have a 15.6-inch display with up to 360Hz high refresh rate. Graphics wise, it can go up to Nvidia 3000 series graphics cards that have 3 performance options ranging up to 115 watts of TDP. In the case of the design, compared to the 2020 version, the new version looks more futuristic as it is based on Alienware technology, and it looks like it will allow for a more efficient ventilation. It will debut in 2 colors, Dazzling Night Black and Functional Green. The base variant of the laptop will be powered by a 10th gen Intel Core i5 processor alongside with an Nvidia GeForce GTX 1650 graphics card and starts at a cost of 5,599 yuan. So far, it will only be available in China but will be launched in other regions later this year. Now time for a quick break, and while you're at it, why not click on the like and subscribe button to support us. It'll only take a couple of seconds, but it will help us a lot more than you think. Now with that out of the way, let's get back right into it. It has been a long run, but it has come to an end. Intel discontinues their performance tuning protection plan for overclocking warranties. On 1st of March, Intel began wrapping up its performance tuning protection plan service, which is an optional extended warranty for CPU overclocking. Intel will now only be focusing on supporting the customers that had purchased the service, but as of 1st of March, the service has been discontinued. Well, if you thought that a new company would have difficulty in announcing new lineup of graphics cards, well, it's not exactly new, but Lenovo is entering the graphics card AIB market. It seems they announced custom cards for RX 6800 XT and RX 6900 XT Legion. Although the cards do look similar to the now aging Radeon 7 graphics card. The cards were announced to be used in their pre-built gaming systems, and there is no word of it being sold by itself. It seems mining has finally done it. They mined an old aging P106 graphics card. It seems that Palette might be bringing back the P106 graphics card for mining specifically. We're not sure how it will impact the mining market, as Nvidia had also recently announced their CMP mining specific cards as well later this month. So, it seems like a Russian modder named VIK-on made 2 very interesting videos on how to upgrade a GeForce graphics card with more memory. He recently modded a GeForce RTX 3070 to 16GB of memory, doubling the size of the official specifications. If you're interested on how the process works and what were the results of the efficiency of the cards, we will link both parts of his video in the description or on the top right corner of the screen. However, we would like to mention that they are in Russian. Now on the subject of graphics cards, Biostar supposedly have special model of the RX 6700 XT with the glorious name of VA67T6TEL9 version RX 6700 XT M. The provided image does have a word extreme on it, but it does not seem to be the case with the name. However, the extreme part could be due to its overclocking capability to be around 1.3% boost clock. To give some reference, the AMD reference clock speeds are 2321, 2424 and 2581 MHz for the base, game and boost respectively. The Biostar RX 6700 XT has those frequencies increased to 2330, 2433 and 2615 MHz. This means an increase of 9, 9 and 34 MHz in each clock state. This model release date is allegedly on March of 18th with the price point of $479 USD. Apparently, Nvidia might launch another RTX 30 series laptop GPU soon, according to an updated listing of the Asus TUF-F15 laptop. They had listed an RTX 3050 laptop as an option for the model itself. Now, according to the website, the new card will feature 4GB of GDDR6 memory, fewer than GA106 based GeForce RTX 3060. This is likely because the RTX 3050 Ti might be the first GA107 GPU based model with 128-bit memory bus. Now, the page does not provide any further details, but according to other listings, such as from Acer, the GN20 P1 and PO are both to be limited to 60W TGP. This value matches the most power-constrained version of the RTX 3060. Most likely this is the initial TGP target and will be higher for the other variants. Now for some big news from SK Hynix Incorporated. They have announced the mass production of the 18GB LPDDR5 mobile DRAM, which is currently the largest at the time of recording in the industry. The product will be equipped in premium smartphones to support the best environment it can for high-resolution games and high-quality videos. An official company statement says that this product will improve the processing speed and image quality by expanding the data temporary storage space as the capacity increases compared to the previous 60GB product. The runtime is set to be about 6400 MB per second, around 20% faster than the current set of DRAM for smartphones, which clocks at 5500 MB per second. Now currently what we know is that the new Asus ROG 5 phone will have this product embedded in it, marking the start of a full-scale volume production. Well, that is all we have for today, but if you're looking to watch more, try watching our laptop buyer's guide for 2021 playlist. We have covered processors and graphics card side of the buyer's guide with more RAM, storage, form factor and cooling solution, so subscribe now so you don't miss out on those. And as always, we will see you guys next time.